I miss home. Oh, I'm missing my place, where my world started from, that place which is attached to my inner self. Oh, I miss home. Yes, yes, I miss my place. The boastful mountains, puffing with mist in the morning, the rivers flowing loudly, and we could run down the streams. Later we would dive in the water with excitement. Oh, I can feel the togetherness. Oh, Ndasuwa.
I would see children playing in the park every time I visit town. I would quench my thirst with an ice cream each time that I feel dryness on my throat. I would enjoy listening to my grandparents' stories every night. The sun would rise the next morning with happiness, and it will set, followed by the full-blown moon. These are my childhood memories.
Ndasuwa. I would climb Pamusoro, where I can have the view of the old place.
I would enjoy singing vana vachitamba bora mubani. Emis mombe tiri kumafuro, baba na mai vachisakura mumunda. Memories of my childhood. Sisi vakatakura poto ye maheu pamusoro.
Mukoma vachipetsi sandi mayasara.
Oh, Ndasuwa kumba.
I would enjoy the wind blowing and the breeze from the river. It feels like somebody's hugging me.
Oh, birds will fly over my head, singing songs, melody from my